we don't have a challenge ye medication. We do have a challenge ye mali generally as a department. And as a result of that, we have had to watershed our payment of service providers, which means through one run we pay this service provider. However, that doesn't mean we have not been paying service providers. Now that's a challenge that we had sometime in December, January. And after that, we were able to then try and reach a level where almost all our service providers have been paid, because financially it is coming to an end in March. So we need by the end of March to have paid everyone everything that we owe them. So yes, we at some point you would find that there would be a challenge, and there was one or two companies that decided to withhold their medication because they had not been paid. But that has been sorted. Now we don't have a challenge of shortage medication. About a week or so ago, we even went to our depot, because we have it depoted as a department where we keep the medication. And we took a video that was showing communities that there is no problem. Medication is there, medication is available. We have an app, a scenario that checks stock visibility. Uma ngabe i-medication yakho iqala ishorta, you are able to see ukuthi i-stock sakho on the kwipanado sesiyehla, therefore you need to augment. I-stock sakho on what iyehla, and you need to augment. So we are keeping a closer eye on what is it that needs to be addressed. Now, about 2 or so months back, the management department took a decision that the issue of buying of medication must be looked closer. Okusho ukuthi abantu abasakwazi ukuthi in their own facilities bayithengele noma bayiordele i-medication ngendlela abathanda ngayo. If you want to order a particular medicine or particular tablets, you must be able to say, I am at 50% of medication. In a week's time, I will be at 25%. Therefore, I now need to order. Now, some people who are managing medication are not happy with that, because in the past you just order whatever medication at whatever pace that you want. Now, we can't continue to work like that, because government doesn't have money. And if we continue to operate as if imali qhamuka esihlahleni, it means one of these days the Department of Health will collapse, and it will collapse in our hands and this management. So management took a decision that every time you order, there should be a reason, and you must be able to explain at what level you are. So there are people who are not happy with that, and as a result they want to create a panic yoguthi medication ayikho, because they want to force us out of that management. It's a management system that ensures that you buy what you need, not you buy just for the sake of buying. So that is the second point I wanted to raise. The third point is that ukushoda kwemithi kwesinye isikhathi it's normal, because, well, not normal ukuthi uzongabi nemithi, but kuyenzeka ukuthi certain medication ingabi available. Ayibi available on the basis that there is one service provider that sells a particular kind of medication, and that service provider uthola ukuthi almost sonke in the country sisebenzisa yona. Kwenzeke ukuthi uma order thina namhlanje nabanye base-Gauteng baya order in other provinces, and si order almost quantities that are the same. And at that point, that service provider must be able to say from where they are sitting, uma ngabe besi order 100,000 of each, then for them to be able to cover everyone, they will not give us the 100,000 that we have ordered as a province, but they give us 50 or 70 depending on what it comes to. Now, what that then does is that it will mean if we wanted a particular kind of, or a doctor had actually prescribed a particular kind of medication, you find that because of as a result of a service provider that has not provided us with what we have ordered, therefore we have run out. But that doesn't mean our patients don't get treated, because our pharmacists, they know if this particular medication is not available, here's an alternative. So they always provide an alternative to a medication that is not available.